Lapland, Finland. First up, the real-life Santa's workshop awaits in Lapland, Finland. Immerse yourself in a snowy fairy tale with reindeer sleigh rides, visits to Santa Claus Village, and the chance to witness the mesmerizing northern lights. It's the perfect destination for those seeking a Christmas straight out of a storybook. Strasbourg, France. Next, transport yourself to the capital of Christmas, Strasbourg, France. Explore the enchanting Christkindlesmarkt, one of Europe's oldest Christmas markets, set against the backdrop of medieval architecture. Lose yourself in the aroma of mulled wine and the twinkle of a million lights. Banff, Canada. For a Christmas surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, head to Banff in Canada. Picture a snowy paradise with frozen lakes, snow-capped peaks, and cozy log cabins. Banff transforms into a holiday haven with festive lights, outdoor activities, and the warm glow of mountain hospitality. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Switching gears, why not celebrate Christmas under the sun in Rio de Janeiro? Experience a tropical holiday season with a Brazilian twist. From vibrant beach parties to unique holiday traditions, Rio brings a whole new meaning to a hot Christmas celebration. Quebec City, Canada. Venture into the charming streets of Old Quebec City, where Christmas feels like a Dickensian tale come to life. Cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriages, and the impressive Fairmont-le-Château Frontenac set the stage for a classic and cozy holiday retreat. Reykjavik, Iceland. Experience a Christmas like no other in Reykjavik, Iceland, where the holiday season is sprinkled with a touch of magic. Picture elves, festive markets, and the chance to soak in geothermal hot springs under the northern lights, a truly enchanting winter escape. Salzburg, Austria. Step into a fairytale Christmas in Salzburg, Austria, birthplace of Mozart and a city steeped in history. Explore the charming Christmas markets against the backdrop of medieval architecture, indulge in local treats, and revel in the classical melodies of the season. San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. For a Christmas with a cultural twist, head to San Miguel de Allende in Mexico. Adorned with vibrant colors and festive lights, this UNESCO World Heritage City offers a unique blend of Mexican traditions and colonial charm, creating a warm and inviting holiday atmosphere. Tromsø, Norway. Our final destination takes us to Tromsø, Norway, where Christmas is a magical Arctic experience. Enjoy the stunning fjords, dog sledding adventures, and the ethereal beauty of the polar nights, making it an unforgettable Christmas escape for those seeking Arctic enchantment. There you have it, fellow holiday enthusiasts, a dozen Christmas destinations to make your season merry and bright. Which magical escape stole your heart? Share your dream Christmas getaway in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive inspiration.